The wait is finally over, action camera fans. It's official. DJI has just confirmed the Osmo Action 6, and this time, it's not just another upgrade. It's a complete evolution. After months of leaks, rumors, and speculation, we finally have everything. The confirmed release date, full specs, design changes, pricing, and yes, even the cinematic teaser DJI's been hiding. From a brand new 1-inch sensor and rock-steady 4.0 stabilization to 5.7K 60 frames per second recording, AI-powered image processing, and massive battery life improvements. This might just be the GoPro killer we've all been waiting for. In today's video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the DJI Osmo Action 6, its official release date, full specifications, pricing, design upgrades, and early performance reports. So stick around till the end because DJI just raised the bar for 2025's action camera world. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The wait is finally over, and action camera fans across the world can finally breathe a sigh of relief, because DJI has officially confirmed the release date of the DJI Osmo Action 6. After months of leaks, rumors, and speculation, the company has finally revealed everything. The specs, the design upgrades, the pricing, and of course, the long-awaited launch date. The DJI Osmo Action 6 is not just another incremental update. It's a clear signal that DJI is ready to go head-to-head with GoPro's Hero 13 and redefine what compact adventure cameras can achieve in 2025. From the moment the Osmo Action 5 hit the market, fans started wondering what DJI would do next. The fifth model was already a huge leap forward, offering improved heat management, longer recording times, and better low-light capabilities. But with the Osmo Action 6, DJI has gone back to the drawing board to completely overhaul the experience, delivering a camera that's faster, brighter, smarter, and more powerful in every sense. So today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about the DJI Osmo Action 6, from its confirmed release date and pricing to its full specifications, design changes, new sensor technology, video performance, stabilization, battery life, and accessories. If you're an adventure filmmaker, vlogger, or content creator, this is one launch you don't want to miss. DJI has officially confirmed that the Osmo Action 6 will launch on November 12, 2025. Pre-orders will open immediately after the announcement event, with worldwide shipping expected to begin by late November. This release date strategically positions DJI right before the holiday season, making it one of the most anticipated tech gifts of the year. It's a clever move, allowing DJI to capture the attention of both professionals and casual adventurers who are gearing up for end-of-year travels and vlogging adventures. The launch event itself will be streamed live on DJI's official YouTube channel and website, following the same see the bigger picture theme that DJI has used for its recent camera-centric releases. Leaks suggest that DJI has prepared cinematic teaser footage filmed entirely on the Osmo Action 6 to showcase its new image sensor and stabilization features, a bold statement to the industry that DJI isn't holding back. At first glance, the Osmo Action May 6 looks similar to the previous generation, but the differences become clear once you hold it. DJI has refined nearly every detail of its construction. The new magnesium alloy frame gives the camera better heat